Alright guys, we're going to do a leak down test. You guys can see it's nice and blue. And my suspicion is correct, blown head gasket. This would turn a different color. It would turn yellow. And as you can see, some of it's turning already. It's a very minor leak, but it is a leak inside the cylinder. And you see the bubbles. I'm sure the camera can pick it up, but as you can see, slowly lightening up at the bottom, slowly changing color, and you see the fluid level going a little bit beyond that. Slowly changing color. Those little bubbles is what gets me, because I've been running it with the funnel, getting all the air bubbles out of the system. Now it's making me into a liar. See the bubble by itself coming up. See it? And that's what we're talking about. Gas. And here holding the foam. And you can see that there's nothing being pressed, nothing being touched. Keep going green, yellow, as you can see it. Changing colors now. Going yellow, going yellow. And this is why we do these type of tests. Except guessing, and go directly to the source. Yellowed up, as you can see, all the way to the top. It's all yellowed out already. Lost its blue color, so head gasket leak. That's what's happening. My suspicion was correct. But I'm an old tech, and I've seen a whole bunch of these, especially out of Nissans. Used to work for Gerard Nissan in Connecticut. About 2.5 years with them. Went overseas for Nesmo package training, and one of the things we learned was these cars suffer from head gaskets. a Nissan Altima. I forgot what year. I think it was 2010. But head gasket, no good. Any questions, comment down below.